Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to practice in RTA Dubai application. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open my channel alexkoshy, or you can simply search RTA Dubai theory test and go to my video section and watch the video first. So here I already mentioned here, so you have to practice the RTA theory test. The video you have to watch, then the RTA hazard perception test video you have to watch. Then after watching, you can practice. And how you can practice? You can download the RTA Dubai application. So you can open your mobile phone and go to Play Store, and in Play Store or App Store you can write RTA Dubai. So while you after typing RTA Dubai, you can install it. Here I installed already, so you can open it. And after opening the RTA Dubai application, you will find one tab that is called drivers and licensing. So you have to click on that. After that, other page will open, another page will open, and you have to click practice theory test. So when you click the practice theory test, again one more page will open, and you can practice in English, Arabic, Urdu, Chinese, Farsi, Bangla, Hindi, and Russian and Tamil. Here I am going to show you how to practice in English language, and you can choose your category like light motor vehicle, truck and bus, motorcycle, and light bus. But remember one thing, if you want to practice light motor vehicle, so you have to practice light motor only. But if you want to practice truck and bus, you have to practice light motor vehicle, then truck and bus. Again motorcycle, first practice light motor vehicle, then motorcycle. Light bus, you have to practice light motor vehicle, then light bus. So you have to combinedly, you have to practice both category. So here I am going to show you how to practice light motor vehicle. So I will click on light motor vehicle, then I will click on continue button. So and begin the test. So here there are 35 questions, 30 minutes, and you have to watch the you have to see the picture, and you have to read the question. Here we have multiple choice of question, so you have to select one answer from this. So here I am not going to show read for you, and I am not showing the correct answers and all. Just I am showing how to practice in RTA Dubai application. So here you have to select the correct answer, and you can have to practice one by one, take your own time, okay. And after finishing all the question answer, everything, so what you have to do, there is one button called, I will show you, finish. So you have to click on the finish button, then submit test or review all answer. So here I am going to submit the test. So I am clicking on submit test, and when you click on submit the test button, so here see your test result is passed. So you can restart the test or view the answer. So here I am going to view the answer. So the green ones are correct and the red ones are wrong. So while you click on the red one, it will show you the correct answer, like in the green ones are the correct answer. So you can by heart it, or you can read the correct answer, then back to review. Again you have to check what are the wrong answers I given, and you can check the correct answer one by one. Then after finishing the reviewing, you can restart the test. And if you practice like 10 times, so you will get more questions, so you can practice many of the questions. So first of all, you have to watch my videos, then you can practice in RTA Dubai application. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.